Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings in Bangalore location. It is from Karnataka. As you can see here, Component by aka SR Integrated Circuit India Private Limited is hiring for inside sales engineer and technical sales engineer positions. So you should have the age above 18 years and below 30 years, and you must have any degree qualifications. You must know the English language with any additional language with good communicational skills, and the job responsibilities will include outbound calls to manufacturers and prospective clients, and the pay scale would be 1.8 to 4.5 lakhs per annum, and along with incentives and additional benefits. So the timings would be 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the working days would be from Monday to Saturday. So if you want to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on these mail IDs.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.